Just going to talk through some exercises to help to increase the stability and the strength of the small muscles in your lower back. We're generally quite good at strengthening the big muscle groups, but sometimes these smaller muscle groups can get missed within our exercise. Now, the stability of these small muscles is really important for the coordination of leg movement with your lower back, so that the force coming up from your leg is being distributed evenly and nicely throughout the spine. So the exercises are done laying down on your back. Ideally you do it on a hard surface, but if it's difficult getting up and down from the floor, doing it on your bed is absolutely fine as well. With the exercise we're going to go through, and as you'll see there's 3 different videos as we increase the exercise and the demand on the lower back. The important thing is not to rush through, but to make sure that you're really comfortable with each stage before moving on. That might take a couple of weeks at each stage before moving on. Do it at your own pace so that you're not causing any pain. So as you're laying on your back, the idea is to rotate your pelvis, what we call posterior, so that's backwards, so that you're flattening the spine against the couch. Okay, so with my pelvis here, this is sort of looking into it. Okay, so we've got here the sacrum. This is the first sort of vertebrae of your lower back. Okay, and these are your big sort of hip bones, that pelvis. So if we imagine we're laying on our back like so, what we're doing is we're rotating the pelvis, okay, backwards in relationship to your lower back. Okay, then as we advance the videos, with that we'll start to then move our legs. Now, as we move the legs, it's really easy for the pelvis to want to come back and we get that arching of the lower back. But what we want to do is, once we've caused that posteriorization and we've dropped the pelvis and we've flattened our lower back and we can feel the engagement in our lower back, we want to keep that position as we move the legs, and that's the really important part. So let's begin. So as you're laying on your back like so, what we're going to do is slowly rotate our pelvis backwards so that you're flattening your lower back into the couch. And imagining this vertebrae by vertebrae, so from that 5th lumbar vertebrae all the way up to that 1st, and we're going to hold it there for a count of 10. So on the model, what that's doing is you're rotating the pelvis back slowly and we're creating a flattening in the lower back. Okay, and then we're going to slowly come out of that position, so we have that arch in our lower back again. What we're not doing is jarring the pelvis forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, because that's going to irritate your lower back. Okay, so with this again, we're going to rotate backwards, imagining vertebrae moving by one at a time. Hold it there for a count of 10. Remember to breathe. 3, 2, 1. And slowly coming back out of that. And we're going to do this 3 times. So one more time, we're going to rotate that pelvis backwards, imagining each vertebrae moving one at a time until your back's nice and flat on the couch or the bed or the floor. Remembering to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're slowly coming back out of that exercise. If you get pain during this exercise, then please stop.